Hey guys, welcome to Zoloblocks. In this block tutorial, we will show you how to create the perfect image showcase in Gutenberg using the Advanced Image Block feature. Let's go. As always, let's type and select a container block on the page. Go with a single column and customize its padding for a spaced content area. Now, click on the black container, then type the image in the search box and select the Advanced Image Block from the pop-up menu. The block is now deployed. Let's select the first image from the media library. On your right, you will find the customizations for the block. Under the Basic tab, inside the General section, you can find a layout option that lets you change between Image Normal and Overlay. On top, you can change the image itself. The overlay puts a text on top of the image. The option right below lets you select the content position over the image. There's an alignment option that works on the whole image. After that, you can change the image resolution from the options. There are also alt text and image link fields here. The next section is for heading. Here you can change the title text that's over the image, as well as select the title tag. Also, you can choose to keep the heading always visible or appear only when hovered. Next is the description section. Here you can edit the text excerpt and also change the content visibility. Then comes the separator section. This option lets you place a stylish separator between the title and description. The purpose is to add style to your content. The last section is for image masks. The Advanced Image Block comes with lots of awesome image masking to make your images more engaging. Each masking adds a unique touch to your image content, so try them and choose what you like. Additionally, you can change the mask size, position, and repeat type controls here. Yes, it's detailed enough to give you more freedom. Though your image is already looking so good, let's jump into the Style tab to customize the appearance. The first section named Image has an effect menu. This is for adding a hover effect to your image. You can try these effects to choose the most suitable one for your website. Also, you can adjust the margin of the image. The next section is Overlay. Here, you can apply a background color as an overlay. It could be a gradient, a single color, or another image on top. But with gradient, you can make stunning designs. Next, inside the Content section, you can adjust the content max width, padding, and margin. Here, the content is the text part. After that comes the Heading section. Here, you can customize the font style using the typography option. And typography is a combination of options including font family, size, transform decoration, spacing, etc. So go ahead, take your time, and make your font epic. Then after that, you can change the font color or adjust the margin. Next is the Description section. The options are similar here, the same as the heading. So go ahead and make the necessary changes. All done? Now update the changes and decorate tons of images with this effective block feature. We are not ending this show without some showdowns. Take a look at these patterns made by the Advanced Image Block. Hope these will inspire your creativity. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with Zoloblocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon.